Chile Verde is the heart of Mexican cuisine, where the art of slow cooking meat in flavorful sauces has been perfected over generations. Each bite is a harmonious burst of fresh ingredients, bold spices, and tender meat that makes the Mexican cuisine so loved around the world. This dish is so quick and easy to prepare even for the beginners in the kitchen. We're not just dumping the ingredients in the crock pot, we're building a flavor profile from the bottom up. Hi, I'm Minnie from This and That Minis. Thanks for joining me. Hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Let's begin by adding 2 to 3 pounds of chuck roast to the crock pot. Cut those into the same size pieces so they cook evenly. To that, add salt and pepper to taste. You can swap out the beef for chicken or pork. Now add about 1.5 cups of Hatch green chilies. I choose Hatch green chilies here because of the smoky flavor, but you can certainly switch out for any green chili of your liking. 12 ounces or so of beef broth. Add 1 medium onion, 4 cloves of garlic, and 1 jalapeno to a food processor. Omit the jalapeno if you don't want the extra heat. Also add cilantro. Just thin slice all those if you're not using a food processor. Once blended, add that to the crock pot. It sure smells wonderful. Gently give that top layer of veggies a stir. Now this will cook for about 7 to 8 hours on low or 4 to 5 hours on high. When it's done cooking, remove the chunks of beef and begin shredding it. I'm just going to shred it with 2 forks here. Shred it as much as you like, whether it's big chunks or just small slivers, whatever is your preference. The meat should be good and tender at this point, and shred easily. Place all that shredded meat back into the crock pot. Give it all a good stir and it's ready to serve. Serve over a bed of rice, with warm tortillas, or just in a bowl like this. Sprinkle fresh cilantro over the top with some sour cream and enjoy. Well, thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a comment below if you have any suggestions or questions. I'd really love to hear from you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and watch these videos next.